Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So, a lot of you have been messaging me saying that it's time for a career reading. Enough of love readings. We are done with it. We want to know what's happening in our career. So, well, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see what's going on in your professional life for the next 3 months. Okay, so a 3 month check in is what I'm going to be focusing on. If you're interested in booking a session with me, or if you're wanting to, gain some insights, you can always book a slot with me. The details are in the description box below. So there's a number. You can always message me and we can go further with it, right? So yeah, before I go ahead, please do like, save, share this video. If you want to subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me with your support. It's free of cost, so please do not hesitate in subscribing to my channel. Please do hype it. It helps me. And yeah, without any further delay, let's just get into it. I have two piles, so this is going to be a pick a pile. Two piles, very simple. Now, a lot of people are having too much confusion about picking a pile. They're asking me to add date of births. No, guys, this is your job. Get locked in and focus on one pile. Take your time. It's okay. You can take a little bit of time, but you have to be attuned with the pile, right? It's imperative for you to now focus on your intuition, to be in a meditative zone, to focus on your breathing, to be called for one particular pile. So this is a pick a pile. Nothing more, nothing else. Just pick what resonates for you, what connects with you. This is a rose quartz. This is a rose quartz. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you. And this is a turquoise. So this is what it looks like, turquoise. So rose quartz, turquoise, pick one. Okay, so I'm going to keep it here. Whatever feels called to you, I'm going to keep it for some time. Choose. Okay, so I'm not going to say anything for the next 5 seconds. I hope you've chosen. I hope you've connected with it. Take a little bit more time. You can pause this also, but connect for sure. Okay, so choose one. If you are not able to choose one, it's okay. You can pick both also. It's fine. Okay, so I hope you've chosen. Let's go. All right, so if you have chosen this pile, rose quartz, then this is going to be your tarot reading. We are going to see what is the check-in for you for the next 3 months, for your career, for your professional life, and what you need to know. Okay, so right off the bat, I am seeing that some of you are having a lot of blockages in your heart chakra. So there are certain things that you're wanting to pursue. I'm getting entrepreneurial energy as well. Some people are wanting to do side hustles. Some people are almost thinking, planning, wanting it, have ideations of it, but are scared to take that initiation, or having problems with converting certain things into reality, problems with networking, problem with following your heart. I do believe that there is a space in which you are loving something, but you're not able to pursue it. There is a heart versus head kind of an energy that I'm already getting. So yeah, that is what I can see, okay, for some of you. So if you've chosen this pile, then this is going to be your tarot reading. So yeah, let's see what's the current energy, what kind of a zone you are in currently. Should I look at this? I'll look at this. Okay, so what kind of a zone are you in currently? Whoa, just a second. Let's see what kind of a zone you are in currently, like what's the current energies like and present energies in the future. Okay, yeah, I keep getting this card so much. I think it's for me, I guess. I feel like there are certain things that were far-fetched to you in your career, कि कुछ ऐसे चीजें थी that looked very far-fetched, and somewhere you're seeing it coming slightly closer to you. I'm not saying that it is literally right in front of you. This could be a milestone. This could be some kind of a financial goal. This could literally be a dream job. This could be a dream examination score. This could be a dream college. Anything that felt extremely far-fetched, you are starting to realize that it's not impossible to achieve. At least that acknowledgement is there. Now, are you able to convert it or not? Question mark right now. I am not saying anything, but at least वो acceptance तो है कि भाई it's not impossible, right? I feel like there is an energy of a person who has been scared to dream big. Like I feel like you rose quartz people, pile number 1 people, have always been shy or have been very afraid to have huge big dreams or big achievements. Like to be able to ask the universe for more has not been easy, or you don't know how it is. Either you have experienced this in your life where people have shunned you कि ये डिमांड नहीं कर सकते हो, अपनी औकात देखो, सॉरी आई एम यूजिंग दैट वर्ड बट आई विल से, अपनी स्टेटस देखो, अपना क्लास देखो, अपना फाइनेंशियल ये देखो, तुम तो मिडिल क्लास हो या लोअर क्लास हो, तुम्हारा यू आर नॉट सपोज टू बी ड्रीमिंग बिग, as if the universe looks at your bank balance before giving you anything. So it's like I feel like you have been in this zone where having big aspirations is almost embarrassing, or it's almost like you automatically, like before even thinking about it, you reject it because you're like, यार ये तो मेरे से मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ, मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ, ये मेरा तो है ही नहीं, this is not my life, this is not what my life is going to take me, I'm going to be doing something which everybody does, right? That's why I'm getting very entrepreneurial energy from this pile more, because I feel like any kind of a business, either you're not coming from a business family, or the idea of business has been very like shunned by you, and you have looked down upon it. You're like, यार business तो वही लोग करते हैं जो पैसों की भूखे होते हैं. Like somewhere you have been very ashamed of wanting, like having desires. You have been feeling very ashamed of being a person who actually enjoys the fancy things, or maybe like it's an energy where you are okay with not wanting fancy things because somewhere you know that you're never going to attain it. So you give excuses कि ये तो, billionaires and millionaires only they can afford it, eat the rich kind of an energy you're getting, like your anti-capitalism maybe, knowing very deep in heart that is something that you actually want to see how it feels, like you just want to experience it. Like I'm getting an energy where कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे हैं जो आपको सिर्फ experience करनी है, and then you want to just say like, okay, this is not something that I want. तो experience तो करो. That is what is coming to me. Like especially when it comes to things like anything luxurious, like although this is a career reading, I'm also going to take a step forward and talk about like finances. Like anything luxurious is something that was a distant thing for you, right? Having something like luxurious, like quote unquote like luxurious lifestyle. It could be a lifestyle, it could be a goal, it could be something materialistic, it could be going to a desired location, trip, travel, whatever, or maybe owning the new phone, latest phone, jo bhi XYZ. It almost felt like you were giving excuses of why you did not want it. But deep down you want it, but you're giving excuses ki nahi, this is not something that is meant to me. Like my idea, like my advice here is ki mango bhai. Like be a person who's unabashed and unembarrassed. Unembarrassed? Yeah. Like not embarrassed to ask what you want from the universe. Universe won't judge karne wala hai yaar. So like you, before anything happens, you judge yourself only. Like I feel like this is a problem with you. Like career people here in pile 1, you judge your like self so much. And you kind of shy from demanding big. You are shy, like you need to open your heart. Like that's why I said that there's a blocked energy here, because I feel like there is something that you want, but you judge yourself so much, and you almost look at yourself, and you're literally looking at yourself and think that I don't deserve it, right? Like that is what I'm getting. Like you genuinely feel like this is something that is not meant for me. This is something that will never come to me. Why would God give this to me? Or why would a person like me ever get it? But you're getting it. Like I can see that horizon getting closer and closer, and it's almost now going to, or if you're not feeling this, you're going to feel this in the next 3 months, feeling like that gap is getting slightly lesser. The kind of dreams that you've dreamt is coming close to you. And this could also be like you're wanting to dream big, but you also are trying to tell yourself that I don't think I deserve it. Like aapka hai ambition maybe of going to IIT, just as an example, but somewhere you're like, I don't think I can do it. Like that energy is also there, where you're dreaming big, but subconsciously you're just having such bad rewiring that आप अपने आप को बोलते हो कि यार मेरे जैसा बंदा थोड़ी ना करेगा, कोई और कर सकता है. Somebody who studies 100 hours more, somebody who is much more dedicated, somebody who has a bigger sob story, somebody who has reservation for him or her, जो भी है. That's a touchy topic, but whatever. Usko milna chahiye. Like, why would I get it? Like, that is the energy. Like, why should I be the chosen one? And maybe you are the chosen one, but you are thinking that why make you? I'm such an ordinary person. I'm nothing. I don't have anything working out for me. I don't have anything that is meant for me. So why would I be chosen? Like, that is what I'm getting for you, okay? Like, I'm getting an energy where you think very small of yourself. Like, there's a self-deprecative energy out and out. And I'm not even pulling out any tarot cards yet. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ एक channelized energy से बोला है मैंने, literally. Wealthy man. You want to be wealthy, bro. Like, tell yourself, I want to be wealthy. You have to first, you know what? It's not even about wanting to be wealthy. It's like imagining wealth coming into your life because you deserve it. I feel like either there's split personality. Either you completely decline wealth, और you're completely greedy and obsessed कि भाई wealthy चाहिए मुझे, और तो यहाँ पे मेरे को कोई happiness है ही नहीं, nothing else is going to satiate my hunger, only wealth will satiate. Like, that energy is wrong also. You don't have to live, breathe, eat only for a financial upgradation. Somehow this is a career reading, but it's getting into finances, so I don't know, maybe you're having some troubles with your finances. And you also don't have to be a person who's negating the importance of wealth. So what I'm trying to say is that in your career right now, you have to kind of refocus and re-understand what your priorities are. That's what I'm trying to get at. Like, you have to understand where you stand with regards to your aspirations, your ambitions. Don't be bothered by how you judge yourself, right? अपने आप को अपने आप से निकालो, like distance yourself from who you think you are. Who you are and who you think you are different people. Who you think you are is coming from projections of the society. So it's like you, like how we say na ki maybe the other person is judging me. No, you are judging yourself from the lens of other people. Do you get it? आपको कोई जज नहीं कर रहा है, आपको दुनिया जज नहीं कर रही है, आपको यूनिवर्स भी जज नहीं कर रहा है, आप अपने आप को जज कर रहे हो दूसरों की आड़ में आके. तो ये करना बंद करो. समझ रहे हो? इफ देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू वांट, demand it, ask it, because that is something that you deserve. You should, whenever you're manifesting anything, I think you should write this in the comment section right now, that I demand this from the universe, because there is a reason why I'm getting a thought. आपको कोई thought आता है, आपको पता है क्यों आता है? Because आप उस horizon में आप vibrate कर रहे हो. There's a reason why we say that you're spiritually vibrating on that level, because some people don't think in that direction. And unfortunately, some of them don't even have the resources. आप कोई एक पुअर आदमी को नहीं बोल सकते चलो बैठ के मैनिफेस्टेशन करो मेरे साथ. यू कांट टेल अ बेगर ऑन द रोड टू सिट एंड डू 333 मेथड. सो यू हैव टू बी एबल टू मेक good use of your privileges. Wealthy man is coming here. Maybe you are having wealth, maybe not in the way that you want it to. Maybe the wealth is not coming from finances. Maybe the wealth is coming from knowledge. Maybe the wealth is coming from experiences. Maybe the wealth is coming from all the hardship that you've dealt with. So make damn use of the privileges that you have. Make good use of whatever hand that God has given you. Because some people don't even have that. And this is specifically for those people who are having this kind of self-deprecative energy कि मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं, I don't think I'm deserving, I'm not having this. बहुत ही self-lackluster energy दिख रही है. It's very lack mindset energy. And I'm not saying lack mindset in a हवा में नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. Because I can see that you want it, you crave it, you demand it. And somewhere even asking for it is so embarrassing for you, or even wanting to like going forward with it is so embarrassing for you. And when you go forward to it, you finally break free from that shackles. Subconsciously you come back into that energy that no, I don't think I can. No, I don't think I can. So make use of your privileges. If you are pretty looking, if you're handsome looking, make damn use of it. Make use of it. If you are somebody who has maybe some kind of a niche, कोई आपके पास कोई interest है, maybe some of you are very very interested in talking about big things like spirituality and karma, and you are psychic in that manner, make use of it. Do something about it. Maybe study more about it. If you're interested in astrology, make use of it. आपके पास है wealth, knowledge है आपके पास understanding है, आपके पास command over your language है, maybe you're good speakers, maybe you are having great communication skills. Why do you think that you have to be successful in accordance to other people's blueprints? कि जैसे दूसरे लोग हैं वैसे ही मुझे successful बनना है. Maybe you can create your own path. I was seeing this one YouTube video, I forgot about it. And this is something that I want to tell you. 30-40 years ago, people's dreams, when you would ask a person, a small child maybe, what do you want to become when you grow older? They would say, I want to become an astronaut. They would say, I want to become a scientist. They would say, I want to become a lawyer. Now, if you ask a child, what do you want to do when you grow up? They will say, I want to become a YouTuber. They will say, I want to become a cricketer. They will say, I want to become a content creator. Because that expansion has happened where they are now looking at the times currently. They are banking on the resources that are there currently. My advice to you is, अपने current resources को कम मत समझो. Be able to ask and demand what is in the current scenario for you, what is laid out in front of you. आपके सामने आपके पास सब कुछ है, बट आपको वो चीज़ें देखनी है जो दूसरे लोग के पास हैं, जो दूसरे जिस तरह से जा रहे हैं. The way other people are functioning, you're thinking to function like that. But maybe your story is very differently written. Maybe your story is differently written by a different ink altogether. So follow that, okay? So that is what I'm getting right off the bat. Let's see more. Let's see what kind of a zone you are in currently, and then we're going to do predictions. See, again, this is a general reading. Sorry. This is a general reading. So I'm not going to claim that this is going to resonate with everybody. Maybe you're absolutely not resonating with it. That's fine. My advice is that even if you're not resonating with it, keep it in mind. अपने दिल में रखो ये बात, है ना? Just keep it as a, ठीक है, ये बोल रही है तो मैं सुन लेता हूँ या सुन लेती हूँ, ठीक है? Let's see what kind of a zone you're in currently. Shy. मैंने क्या बोला आपको? Like, I want to thank myself. Like, you're so shy. Why are you so shy? You are a person who maybe has so many talents, but आपको कोई बोलता है कि चलो talent दिखाओ. नहीं. I'm not good enough. There's like a comparison. Maybe, okay, I'm getting an energy like full on where you were a very bright kid when you were a child, when you were young. and suddenly something happened and you lost that confidence within you. Like you were a confident bright kid, very talented, multi talented, हर चीज़ में आप पार्टिसिपेट करते थे, हर चीज़ में आप इन्वॉल्व थे, आप बहुत ही एक एक्टिव स्टूडेंट थे या एक्टिव पर्सन थे. एंड when like few years passed down, you went into a shell, you went into a cocoon, and you thought that whatever you are made up of is so common. आपने अपनी एक सेंस ऑफ यूनिक थॉट प्रोसेस खो दी है, आपने अपना एक सेंस ऑफ यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट खो दिया है. और ये रीडिंग, दिस रीडिंग इज ट्राइंग टू गेट यू टू इट. दिस रीडिंग इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू और ट्राई टू हेल्प यू टू गेट बैक इन टू इट, बिकॉज इट इज विद इन यू. लिसन, कहाँ खोया है ये, लॉस्ट कहाँ है? अगर आपके खुद के अंदर है तो आपके बाहर कैसे जा सकता है? आप अंदर ही खो बैठे हो उसी चीज को. You have lost that spark within yourself, that somebody has not taken it and snatched away from you. You think that is the case, but that's not the case. It's lost within you because there's so much, like, there's so many built up like layers of embarrassments. Some places where you think you're not good enough, other people getting the better of you, competition coming ahead of you, responsibilities coming over you, so that spark has been dabaud, wo dab gaya hai. It's like that spark is buried deep under the ground, and there are so many layers of things that you are wanting to work, that you should be reworking. Subconscious rewiring, working on your confidence, like thinking that you're good enough. Like there are so many things, and that quality of yours, that uniqueness of yours has been dabawed, and that entire layer has now made you shy. Now you become shy. So in that shyness, that you are shy, okay, there is this one heavy, like a heavy load that is coming out, like there's a how do I say it, like there is a potential person who is having so much of caliber that is hidden beneath that kind of shyness, and that no I can't do it, that wo ek somber energy में आ गए हो जो आप दहाड़ सकते हो. You're like a lion but you're under the act of a mouse. Get rid of it, like come out of it. Like that is what I'm getting. I feel like there's a place where positive affirmations is very important for you. Like how you talk about yourself is very crucial. And when I say talk about yourself, majorly, I don't mean that, okay, you wake up in the morning in front of the mirror, you say, I am the best, I am the best. No, it's in the moments when you're way anxious, when you're cornered, when you're feeling like, I think that the world is against me. How you talk in that moment is very important. Do not get me wrong. You have to be your favorite person. You have to imagine that you are your own support system. You have to believe in it. You have to talk your inner self and outer self out of your positives. Like you have to be able to focus on your positives. You have to be able to only work on the goodness of who you are. I'm not saying that you have to completely decline and completely negate your negatives. बट आप अपने नेगेटिव्स में इतना घूम चुके हो, इतना आप लॉस्ट हो चुके हो कि अपने पॉजिटिव्स को आपने डिनाई कर दिया है. यू हैव कंप्लीटली शन्ड योर पॉजिटिव्स. Not a good energy. It's not a good look on you. Okay, it's not a good look on you. So I think that's what you are, where you are currently. Again, this is supposed to be a career reading, but I don't know why it's becoming like a personality thing. And maybe it is true. Maybe you are struggling in your career because of this. Maybe this is the problem of you. Maybe apply it in your career, na. Maybe there are certain things that you're like, damn, I need it, but समथिंग रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इट. एंड आपको लगता है कि किसी ने नज़र लगा दी है, मेरा टाइम ही खराब है, मेरी तो 7:30 ही है, मेरे तो चार्ट में मेरा 8th हाउस एक्टिवेटेड है, 6th हाउस एक्टिवेटेड है, सैटर्न एक्टिवेटेड है. दिस इज ऑल लाइक दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट दिस ऑल कैन बी मैनेज्ड. It all can be managed. I always tell this to my students also and my clients also, that sometimes remedy is not, okay, do this remedy ki, okay, take a bay leaf and burn it in the candle, or take this gemstone and take this crystal. Sometimes the remedy is fixing your mind. Sometimes the remedy is this, ये change करना है आपको, ये ही remedy होती है कभी कभी. The remedy comes with your own sense of narratives. Okay, and that is what I'm telling you. The remedy is not in doing a lot of things and journaling every day and all of that. That is there because that actually helps you to think differently. But आपको पहले think differently का एक, without any catalyst, try it. Do it without any catalyst. Do it just by thinking. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so sorry, maybe this was supposed to come out. Maybe these things that I'm saying were supposed to come out of my body. Okay, now let's see what is the energies for the next 3 months. Okay, so people who are in the career, pile 1, what is coming to you? Sorry, what is coming to you in the next 3 months? Okay, next 3 months. Wealthy man, I got a King of Pentacles. Wealthy man. This is a wealthy man, and I got a King of Pentacles. So I feel like I'm literally channeling something for you guys. Shy energy, and I got a Page of Cups. अब डिस्टेंट होराइजन में ना चैरियट आ जाना चाहिए और 8 of Cups आ जाना चाहिए. Let's see, okay. Oh, 10 of Pentacles, not bad. Still a wealthy energy. But let's look at the cards, they're so good. Okay, one more card I want. 2 of Cups. Sorry, 2 of Wands. Almost distant horizon है. Distant horizon वाला energy है इसमें भी है. Page of Wands. Fab cards, okay. The next 3 months are revolutionary, to say the least. They are revolutionary. Some people who are wanting to lock in, they are getting locked in. Some people who are having problems with strategizing, you are strategizing. Some people who are having creative blocks, you are getting creatively inclined. Some people who are thinking, okay, I want to be able to do my parents proud, you're damn making your parents proud. Actually, genuinely making your parents proud. Let's look at this. I feel like first and foremost, you're getting into routine, okay? Routine like structure is crucial for you, because what happens is that you only build confidence by doing something over and over again until you become until it becomes something that becomes very easy for you. जब आप कुछ चीज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली करते हो ना, तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली इट बिकम समथिंग दैट कम्स नेचुरली टू यू. एंड व्हेन यू गुड एट समथिंग नेचुरली, यू बिल्ड कॉन्फिडेंस. आप अगर एक चीज़ एक बार करो, वो कॉन्फिडेंस आपको नहीं बिल्ड करेगा, वो शैटर हो जाएगा, बिकॉज इट विल बी वेरी फ्लीटिंग एनर्जी. ग्राउंडेडनेस दिख रही है मुझे. सो द नेक्स्ट 3 months आई कैन सी यू बीइंग मोर ग्राउंडेड, because there is a routine, there's a structure, there's a routine, there is a plan, there is a flow chart. Like I see a sense of genuinely putting that kind of a mind into working on your career. Like up genuinely you're putting that energy ki, okay, now I have to focus into my career. Like that is what I'm seeing. Giving priority to your career is what I can see. Sometimes people are looking at my career readings and their priority is love. Their priority is यार मेरे reconciliation कब हो जाएगा, मेरा no contact कब break होगा. नहीं, लॉक इन करना है मतलब लॉक इन करना है. ये सारे रिलेशनशिप बातें वगैरह सबको छोड़ो, लेफ्ट में रखो. अगर आपको वेल्दी पोजीशन में जाना है, जिसकी आपकी पोटेंशियल है, यू हैव द पोटेंशियल, लिसन, आई गॉट द वेल्दी एनर्जी फॉर यू, देयर इज हेल लॉट ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस दैट यू टू डू. एंड दैट फर्स्ट सैक्रिफाइस कम्स फ्रॉम बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली बोरिंग इन लाइफ. आपको बोर्डम, यू हैव टू बी इन बोर्डम. व्हेन आई से बोर्डम, व्हाट आई मीन बाय दैट इज यू हैव टू लिव अ लाइफ इन अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड मैनर, live a life in not a very stimulated environment. You have to be able to actually show up when you don't want to show up. In the moments where you genuinely are feeling like नहीं आज नहीं करना है, उस वक्त पे आपको करना पड़ेगा. तो ये जो किंग ऑफ पेंटिकल्स की एनर्जी है, वो हलवे की तरह नहीं आती है. इट कम्स विद, लाइक इमेजिन अंबानी. लाइक यू have the potential of reaching Ambani's position, and I'm not saying this as a joke कि हाँ ठीक है मैं मजाक में बोल रही हूँ कि I'm trying to kind of bait you into understanding it. I've gotten cards like that. You understand the story of Ambani, like you understand how he was and from where he comes from. I would recommend you to watch a biography of his. Okay, कोई भी documentary वगैरह है, आप देख लेना. He was a person who used to, I think, start with selling something very basic. मतलब वो story जो है धीरूभाई अंबानी की या अंबानी की, they had very, like they were from a Gujju family, and it was very like rags to riches वाली story है. And they are literally the wealthiest family of the country. Why? Because there's a sense of spark and there's a sense of discipline that they had generations over generation. And you are the black sheep of the family. I feel like you have the potential. वो black sheep वाली energy दिख रही है मुझे कि आप एक docile, shy person हो जिसके अंदर बहुत potential है but उसको नज़र नहीं आ रहा है. And there is always this kind of a family pressure or something of that sort, and you're kind of going to break free and आप उड़ोगे, आप फटोगे. You have that energy in you. And in the next 3 months, you're going to get a glimpse of it. You're going to see it. You're going to see that kind of a spark. That's some spark. I'm not saying कि vital change हो जाएगा, एकदम radical change हो जाएगा, एकदम ही आप एकदम करोड़पति बन जाओगे and you're having insane amount of wealth. No, but you're going to see a spark. You're going to see a difference, and you can literally claim this. I guess you can come back, in the given timeline, and you can see the change within you. If you're people who are giving examinations, students specifically, I want you to understand in the next 3 months, there's going to be a shift in the way you're approaching your examinations. You're getting a lot of support from your family. I also feel like there is a sense of plan, correct sense of feeling confident, because I'm assuming that you're getting a little bit good in terms of your mock tests, mock examinations, or maybe if you're discussing some things with somebody, you're like, yeah, ye mujhe aata hai, ye mujhe aata hai, ye mujhe aata hai. And there is a sense of rawness that I can see. Now, here's a problem that I can also will tell you is that there is so much of rawness and there's so much of potentiality. I can also see you being a little okay with the spark only. आप सिर्फ स्पार्क के साथ खुश मत होना. वो स्पार्क आपको ये दिखा रहा है कि आप में पोटेंशियल है. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. देयर इज सो मच दैट यू नीड टू डू आफ्टर दैट. सो आई फील लाइक यू कैन बी वेरी वेरी कंप्लेसेंट एंड सेशिएटेड इन द फैक्ट दैट हाँ स्पार्क तो है, चलो आई हैव नॉट लॉस्ट माई सेल्फ. बट माई लव, यू हैव नॉट लॉस्ट योर सेल्फ, बट यू नीड टू यू अगेन यू हैव नॉट लॉस्ट योर सेल्फ, but you need to become bigger. You need to push out more. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You need to become like you have pages around you. What you should be is a king. So आप एक मंत्री हो और आपको किंग बनना है. You're a person who is like literally just stepping into the idea of career greatness. To be able to sustain it, to be able to envision it, to be able to materialize it, you have to be locked in for years to come. This is a year energy. So although I'm seeing that okay 3 months energy is coming in, ये है energy आपकी 2-3 साल की. This is an advice for 2-3 years. That is what I think. The second thing that I will tell you is that creative urges are coming to you suddenly, like at night, or ये आपको feel भी होता होगा कि random moments पे when you're taking a shower, when you're going out here and there, you will get like this creative idea. And आपका ना ये है चुल है आपके अंदर कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा create करना है जो बहुत ही मतलब it's something that my heart calls me to do. Like it's something that actually is something that I know is going to be having a lot of potential. It could be a very basic idea. But there's something that you want to do. There's some chul, koi hai ki I want to do something different. I want to break free. I have some kind of a creative impulse. You don't know what it is. आपने अभी तक कुछ भी उसमें फाइनलाइज नहीं करा है. आपको पता भी नहीं हो पाएगा भी कि नहीं. बट एक इच्छा है. There's a desire. There's a craving. There's a very deep like career craving, which is like I am supposed to be doing something different. Even if you're working in a 9 to 5, even if you're a person who's working in a like set to set job, there is an urge that you're seeing that I want to get some kind of a freedom with regards to this environment. Like I want to do something unique. I want to do something outside the box. And I need to push ahead. I need to do something that actually makes me feel like this is my calling. Like you're trying to find your calling. And in the next 3 months, you're going to still be in the hunt of a calling. But there is a feeling that you're honoring ki haan meri calling to hai. Like abhi tak na you're living like an NPC character, you know, like just a person who's in the background. In the next 3 months, I feel like some kind of a main character moment is coming to you. That's it. That's all that is coming to you. You're perhaps in your career setting also getting some kind of a praise, also getting some kind of a credit. Like you are able to attach your identity to your career is what I can see. You're getting some kind of a maybe promotion as well. Small promotion, but very, very important for your personal self. Like very important for your character. There could also be a potential travel in your career. I can see definite travel energies for sure. Either you are able to meet very interesting people through your career, or you're getting to know people, or there is an energy where you're getting opportunities to be able to travel for work. Like you are the front end energy, like आप आगे काम कर रहे हो, back end में काम नहीं कर रहे हो. I also feel like there is a sense of protection in your career. Like I don't know if that makes sense, but there's a protective energy जहाँ पे आपको कहीं ना कहीं, if there were places where you're feeling very scared or like as I said shy, embarrassed, I think you will be able to get a sign or symbol or signal or a feeling like you are protected, like you can go for it, don't worry, like I can do it kind of an energy, or feeling protected. I feel like there will be some vital advices that will come to you in the next 3 months. You know, like even with the 2 of Wands, like mentorship is what I can see. Like you're being mentored by somebody. And their mentoring is very important, or you're getting very good advice, or maybe this could help you, like maybe some tarot reader or some kind of a spiritual guru is helping you, right, and is able to give you that kind of lost sense of self back. This could be anybody. This could be somebody that you know, somebody that you don't know, but be open to that sheltering, be open to that guidance, be open to the idea of being able to be be a loner. Be a sponge who can grab knowledge wherever you can. Really good cards for students as well. I think that there's a feeling that you want to conquer the world, and I think that you in the next 3 months at least will know how to do it, or at least will have slight bit of strategy as to how do you want to kind of conquer your career dynamics. Ek sense of confidence hai. Even with regard to these 2 pages that I can see here, there is a feeling of wanting to jump out. कि jump करना है मुझे कुछ, like I want to grab. You're becoming a little more extroverted, like you're networking more. You are traveling for work. You're meeting other people. Like you're able to open up. Like वो cocoon से बाहर निकल रहे हो आप. Like going from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Like that metamorphosis is what I can see. And you're being much more upfront with what you want from your career, like demands from your career, like जो भी आपको चाहिए अपने career में, आप थोड़े और open हो रहे हो. Like I feel like there is a dream that you're finally able to dream, even if the resource is not coming to you, whatever जो भी है, एक looking outside the window and being able to see and experience and genuinely feeling confident about it, not feeling very shy, not feeling very scared, and not absolutely feeling like you don't deserve it. वो वाली feeling है ही नहीं. डंके के छोड़ पे बोल रहे भाई अब तो मुझे चाहिए ये. And I think that this will actually, like, I'm getting a very intuitive energy where somebody will catch this. Somebody will observe this. Somebody will recognize this. Eyes are on you, basically. Some people's eyes are on you, and you are having that spark, and somebody will try to kind of आपको पकड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे कि okay, I can see that potential in you and I want to hone you. Like there's some person who's trying to get like who sees the potential in you, basically, is what I can see in your career. Right? Somebody is trying to kind of help you in that process. This could be anybody, like any person from any field. Just in general, like any person can actually bet on you, is what I'm seeing, because you're betting on yourself. And although there is a raw energy, like there are some cards that are very grounded and there's certain raw energies. And the reason why this is coming so profoundly is because there is raw energies of your current energy. Like आपकी expertise raw है, आपकी experience बहुत कम है. आप अभी like बोलते ना, आप अभी एक चूजे हो, like you're a small, what is that word? Like you're a small, what is that small? You're like a small chicken, लेकिन grounded energy ये है कि आप अपने आप को छोटा समझ नहीं रहे हो. You're not thinking less of yourself. Just because you have realized things slowly or things have come delayed to you, that doesn't mean that time is passing away, or that like the next best moment is now. That's a quote. Like the best moment is now. कभी भी ऐसे मत सोचना कि time is running away. The best moment is right now. So I feel like the potentiality of it is very grounded. Resources are less, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Experience कम है, कोई बात नहीं. पता नहीं है next step क्या करना है, कोई बात नहीं, आपको help कर लेंगे लोग. Support is around you. But if you're able to actually know that this is something that you are actually wanting, if you're able to actually associate yourself, like are you able to align your vision to your goals, and are those goals aligning to your higher sense of self? Very important. That energy is what I can see for you, right? So like in the next 3 months, I can see expansion with regards to your potential. I can see some great results coming to you with regards to your career goals, career dynamics, important milestones being you're able to achieve, coming out of your shell, very, very importantly, being more extroverted, being more network oriented, being able to demand things from people. Like I'm getting an energy where if you are people who are in colleges, you're becoming class representatives, like CRs. If you are people who are, I don't know, I'm getting an energy where you're opening up to more different challenges. Like you're pushing yourself more, like maybe more hobbies, something different. Maybe you're getting into boxing. I don't know why I'm getting an energy. आप boxing कर रहे हो, या आप कुछ ऐसा नवीन नया कर रहे हो, which you thought that you could have never done, right? You are feeling like I'm also getting an energy where you're able to put yourself in an uncomfortable position. Like you're okay with putting yourself under a challenge. Like you're like, okay, challenge accepted. Like let me see if I have the potential. Let me just try. You're not afraid of failure. That is what I can see. You're not afraid to start. You're not afraid to restart. You're not afraid to be a person who's like you're not afraid to go in a loop, basically. ये नहीं हुआ तो वापस करेंगे. Like that is the energy that I'm getting in. You could be like, I should have said this before also, I'm getting heavy earth sign energy from your. So you could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. Okay. Self-made energy. Kya bola? Like some of you are literally wanting a self-employmentship. Self-made, self-employed energy is coming to me. Aapko sabko na, like I feel like you hate any kind of a nepotism energy. You hate somebody, like even if you are getting that support, you're like, no, I don't want any support. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि कोई मुझे हाथ में परोस के दे. You want things to come in by your own self, from your own hard work, from your own energy, from your own potentiality. That's why maybe things are getting delayed for you, because if you wanted to get things done your way ना, आप कर लेते. आपके पास वो शायद resources होंगे भी, but no, you are a person who's like, even if I have that kind of a like support, I'm not going to take it. Somewhere, actually, this is what I was saying. Like, maybe you make use of your privileges. You are a little privileged maybe, but make use of it. But नहीं, आपका है वो एक self-made, self-employed, self वाली energy है. Accountability is required. मैंने आपको क्या कहा था कि accountability रखो अपने career में. Like, the moment you're able to accept that, okay, this is something that I want and I aspire to do, and this is my responsibility to make it happen, things will happen. Right. Block chakra. अभी block chakra energy आई थी, and मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि heart chakra is blocked. So heart chakra is blocked, right? So definitely efforts are feeling heavy for you for now. For now, efforts are feeling heavy. 2 cards have come in actually with this. Efforts are feeling heavy because you think that effort has to be feel heavy. Effort doesn't have to feel heavy when you do things that you like to do. Na? Effort doesn't feel heavy at all. It feels like makhan. Awakening is in the process. Definitely career awakening is something that I can see for you. And I think I would leave this reading with this, that awakening is happening. It's in the process. And I really want you guys to claim it. And मैंने आपको जो भी बोला है कि, follow the reading and claim whatever you want to claim. You should do that in the comment section below. And come back in the next 3 months and tell me if you felt the way you felt with what I told you guys, right? So definitely I feel like awakening is in the process. आप एक process में हो जहाँ पे आपको ये चीज़ already realize हो रही है, हो गई है, and you just want a kind of confirmation. Take it how it is, right? And I do want to tell you that this is not something that you only have to hear in this particular moment. Whenever you watch this, like, this is timeless. Even if you watch it again, it will make sense. 2 साल बाद, 3 साल बाद, 4 साल बाद भी अगर आप देखोगे, then also it will make sense for you, right? So yeah, pile number 1, this is for you, rose quartz people. I hope this made sense. I hope that this is something that kind of give you a sense of clarity, or whatever it is, it helps you. And yeah, I hope that you are able to really truly get help from this reading. If this made sense, then let me know. Please do let me know how it resonated. Let me know what you want to watch next. Like, save, share, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon because I upload very regularly. And hype this video because I really am giving a lot from my side, and I really want to help you guys. So please do that energy exchange, and if you want to book a session, you can always do so. And yeah, wait for my next video. Thank you so much. Bye. All right, so if you have chosen this pile, which is the turquoise pile, then this is going to be your tarot reading, where we're going to see what are the next 3 months looking like for you, and for your career basically, and what's going on, and what's the advice, what's the energy like for the next 3 months for your professional life. So right off the bat, I feel like some of you are not prioritizing your health. Health is becoming a problem. I feel like there are places where you're feeling sick very often. Lot of problems with regards to your mental health as well. Somewhere there is a lot of anxiety about your career. Some of you could be jobless as well. I'm just getting an energy. Some of you are trying to find a job, or not happy with the current state where you're in, and wanting to shift, wanting to break free. I'm getting a 10 of swords energy, like some kind of a betrayal problem. Health, the reason I'm saying health is a problem is also because I feel like there are places where you are actually genuinely needing a break, and your body is giving up now. Like, even people who are studying, I really want you guys to please be careful, because if you're not feeling good, then there's no point, I can sense that sleep issues are there, like problems with regards to like being able to get good sleep. And when I'm saying sleep, it's not even like about like ek to less sleep also, but टूटी हुई नींद मिलती है आपको. So, and like also I'm getting an energy where there's a feeling of like क्या बोलते हो उसे, like dullness, like you're drained. So get your iron levels checked. Like you're feeling very drained. You wake up and you're feeling like dizzy. आपको blackout बहुत होने लग जाता है. Like I'm getting an energy where you're having hemoglobin check करो basically. Okay. And women especially, like this is for women. If you're having, like, I can see hormonal problems for you, mood swings for you, too much pimples are coming in, gaining weight. Maybe some people are having thyroid problems also. So just take care of that. Okay, that is what I can see for you guys. So yeah, let's see what's the career. Let's look at the current energies. What kind of zone you are in currently in your career or whatever, and then we'll see whatever. Okay. Current energies for you in your career. What I can see for you. I feel like currently you are finding a lot of things that are happening unexpectedly around you. कुछ unexpected चीजें हो रही हैं. Some good things, some bad things. Some places where you're feeling bad is happening also because you are not taking support from people. So things that you could avoid are happening to you. If you would have just been able to open up to seeking help. आपका ये problem है, I could be wrong. आपको लगता है कि जब तक आप स्ट्रगल नहीं करोगे ना, तब तक आपको चाहिए, लाइक आपको, यू डोंट डिजर्व थिंग्स. जब तक आप स्ट्रगल नहीं कर पाते, लाइक अनटिल अनलेस यू लिटरली आर नॉट लिटरली लाइक डाइंग, यू डोंट डिजर्व इट. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू डोंट इवन लुक एट योर हेल्थ प्रॉपर्ली, बिकॉज यू थिंक दैट नहीं, इफ माई बॉडी इज गोइंग थ्रू इट ना, दैट मीन्स अच्छे से हो रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छे से हो रहा है. दैट्स समथिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट अवे इज डेंजरस फॉर यू. ओके, आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग. लाइक लीव एवरीथिंग. If you think that your body is undergoing a lot of tension, a lot of stress, it's a sign that अब नहीं तो तब प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी और बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल होगा उससे बाहर निकलना. सो फर्स्ट, प्लीज़ get your blood test done and get your health checked. Some people are having really bad back problems. आपको इतना बैक प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि आप बैठ भी नहीं पा रहे हो लंबे लंबे टाइम तक. Unexpected things are happening around you, some good, some bad. The reason why bad things are happening also around you because they are coming to you in a moment where you could have avoided it had you asked for help. So it's like unnecessary problems are coming into your life right now. Unnecessary, faltu ka. I see expenses coming in, but I also see somewhere those expenses being able to be managed also. But savings are not happening. Expenses are there, bills are coming in, left, right and center. इस चीज़ का उस चीज़ का बिल, ये वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है घर पे, वो मैनेज हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू नॉट एबल टू मैनेज, बट इट्स लाइक it's almost hand to mouth, especially for people who are working now 9 to 5, who are having a job, like a proper job. You're literally living paycheck to paycheck. I'm not joking. Paycheck to paycheck scene hai. People who are having entrepreneurial ideas or like self-employment ship, thoda mushkil hai. I do believe that if people are waiting for a job, I do believe that you'll get it in the next 3 months. People who are wanting to get some kind of a switch, who want to switch, you will get an unexpected opportunity. And I do believe that you will be able to get help. Like, I feel like ask for support. Ask for support. Please do ask for support because you will get it. Like, I definitely feel like if you just send across that message that, listen, I think I am needing this right now and only you can help me, do that. I'm also getting an energy for people, pile 2 turquoise people, where you're waiting for some kind of a message. You're waiting for some kind of a closure from somebody. कोई रिलेशनशिप में या कोई पास्ट में कोई पेरेंट से कुछ आप क्लोजर का एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, कोई एक आंसर का एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, उसको वो लाइक यू आर थिंकिंग दैट जब तक वो मुझे मैसेज नहीं आ जाता ना तब तक मेरी करियर आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. या यू आर थिंकिंग दैट ओके नाउ ओनली आई फोकस व्हेन आई एम एबल टू गेट दैट मैसेज इन. योर करियर is heavily dependent upon getting some answer. This could very well be that you're working in an environment where communication is very important. It could be like you're working in marketing, ये भी हो सकता है. But जब तक आप एक मैसेज का वेट नहीं करते ना तब तक आपके करियर के पहिए आगे बढ़ेंगे ही नहीं. And I'm getting an energy or message from an ex or something, message from a old flame or a message from the person that you're not, like estranged energy is what I can see. I also feel like some of you have phone work, like a lot of, like you work on phone, right? Either you are in sales or I don't know. I'm getting an energy where you have to call people. That is also very hectic for you. Like phone call. Some people are into writing also. Some people are great writers here. Great writers. अच्छा poem लिखते हो आप लोग. Like what I'm getting is that in the current energy, like currently what I can see is that you're waiting for a message. You're having some unexpected things that are happening around you. And the good energies or unexpected energies are like you're able to like have things in control. Like वो unexpected energy ये है कि control में है things. अभी तक बुरा नहीं हुआ है कुछ. Problem ये है कि unexpectedly कुछ बुरा भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. So अब तक आप बचे हुए हो, which is something good that you didn't expect. कि हाँ जिस तरह की आपकी lifestyle है, your lifestyle is not bad. Let me tell you, don't have any vices. You don't have any bad habits. You don't have any smoking addiction. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But you don't even have any good habits. You don't have any redeeming quality. Your lifestyle is gone. You're not drink water. You're dehydrated right now. Sit straight. You're sitting like this. I'm sure some of you are sitting on the bed ऐसे करके खोपचे में with a blanket on your head and you're watching this video. Don't do that. Sit straight. Like be like have your body, mind and soul a little active ना. आप अपनी उम्र से ज़्यादा old लगने लग गए हो. You know? I'm not even kidding. You look older than you look older than how you are. Than how much you genuinely are old. In the current energies, I also feel like there is going to be some kind of a opportunity coming to you. Like in the current energy, like in the next 1 month or so, you are going to get an offer letter. Like I'm getting an offer letter. I'm getting like a college offer letter. I'm getting an examination, like some kind of a pass exam, like tick mark and kind of an energy. Or I'm getting emails. Emails is what I'm getting. So be careful of your emails, phone calls. 8 of Wands energy dikh rahi hai mujhe. Phone calls, emails, communication, something in that direction. So please keep a hold on that. Unexpected messages can come to you. That is what I'm getting. Let's see more. I want to see your current energies. More. Let me see more. What are your current energies right now? Current energies right now for pile number 2 turquoise people. See, there's a sense of like I'm getting an energy where right now you are it's like calm before the storm. Abhi aap calm ho, you're calm right now because you don't know what can happen and what cannot. Right now you're in a calm because you don't know what how else to behave. अभी आप ऐसे हो कि जो भी आपके लाइफ में चल रहा है वो चल रहा है. It's like calm before the storm, right? You are feeling a sense of relaxation, I will say, because you don't know what, like एक होता है ना कि हाँ I'm getting an energy where there's a box, okay? There's a box that has something inside it and it's closed, it's wrapped, okay? You don't know what is in that box. It could be good, it could be bad. So you're happy with having that box only because it's like a Schrodinger's cat. It can be good, it can be bad. The moment I open it, I'll know. And you don't want to open it. Like that's the energy I'm getting in. कि आपको पता है कि there's something in store in your career, something is happening, something is bubbling. And it's like that energy where you don't want to see it, you don't want to peek into it because you know कि अभी नहीं तो तब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे होगा कि it could be good, it could be bad also. So right now I'm calm because I know that I'm not able to, like I'm not seeing like that energy of being calm because there is a sense of question mark in it. Like there's a, like Schrodinger's cat is what I can see. कि हो भी सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है इसलिए I'm calm. Like that is the energy. Like something is bubbling and it could be something good, it could be something bad. Like I'm getting a dual energy, okay? And right now you're like, जब होगा तब देखी जाएगी. You know, that like you're calm because you're not supposed to, or you're not willing to, or you're not interested in knowing what is next. You're not interested in knowing what's coming, actually. That's what I'm getting. So right now, that's why you're feeling a little like, okay, fine, I'm happy, I'm content. Like there is a sense of like, personally, like internally you're trying to pacify yourself. Like a lot of pacification is happening. Pacifying is happening. When you know you are kind of like in the thick of the soup, where you're trying to pacify yourself कि all is well, all is well. It is a good thing. Actually, it is a very good thing. आपका at least attitude अच्छा है. Pile 1 का attitude में problem थी. Problem ये कि attitude अच्छा है, लेकिन circumstances थोड़ी difficult है. अभी. So you need to be a little more, I would say, active, a little more serious, and a little more more proactive is what I'll say. Like a little more proactive, little bit prioritization has to happen with what your heart wants you to do. With not even heart, what your body is asking you to do. Your body is asking for rest. Your body is telling you, I need to rest. You know what? I need you guys to just take 1 day break. Can you do that for me? 1 day break. And look, when I say 1 day break, please don't think I'm asking you to sit on social media. No. Honor your creativity. Take out a pen and paper, sketch something, draw something, reorganize your study table. Write something beautiful. Like I think that you guys are great writers and you guys are great poets, or maybe you guys are great sketch artists. कोई pen and paper का काम बहुत अच्छा करते हो आप. Do it, honor it. Spend time in taking care of your garden. Spend time in sweeping and cleaning the house. Spend time in dusting everything. Like I'm getting an energy where you order like domestic aspects of your life. Career करना बंद करो और love करना भी बंद करो. Little more of like inviting yourself. Like just sit by yourself the whole day, okay? And do things only for yourself. Only for yourself. Spend time in skincare. Spend time in keeping your environment clean. Spend time in being able to sit around with people who are good to you. Spend time in eating well. Spend time in being able to give yourself as much rest as possible. जितना सो सकते हो सो. Like that is the energy I'm getting. Calmness में हो आप, लेकिन अंदर उथल पुथल है. किस चीज का? What kind of a calmness is this? ये calmness सिर्फ ढोंग का काम है. This is not real calm. CALM. The calmness comes when you're actually genuinely in tune with your body. You're not in tune with your body. Your body is at unrest. Maybe you are pretending to be calm, or maybe your mind is calm, but your body is not. You're seeing signs in your body. The moment there's a little bit of exertion, you get tired. थोड़ा भी अगर कहीं चलना है, कुछ उठना है, कुछ उठाना है, कुछ करना है, आप थक जाते हो इतने जल्दी. तो आपको लग रहा है कि आप मेंटली काम हो. ये मेंटल कामनेस नहीं है. This is you trying to show that calmness where your body is giving up. So your genuine calmness will come to you when you're actually able to have your body, mind, spirit being aligned. Right now your body is not, it's not sitting with where you want to be. So maybe your potential is that you can get a lot of greatness in the next 3 months. But अगर आपकी body give up कर रही है तो आप क्या करोगे? अगर आपकी body shut down हो रही है आपके ऊपर तो आप क्या करोगे? आपका mind active है, इसलिए आपको calmness नजर आ रही है, क्योंकि आप अपने आप की, like I don't see anxiety at all. I don't see any mental health problem. I can see, but I see bodily changes. It's like somebody who has a body of a 80-year-old but a mind of a 20-year-old. तो ideas हैं, unexpected energies हैं. लेकिन आपकी बॉडी वो उसको इनकैप्सुलेट ही नहीं कर पा रही है. योर बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू पुश टूवर्ड्स दैट आइडिया. So that can really feel frustrating. I'm feeling like there's a sense of frustration also. Like that calmness is outside, but internally you're feeling very frustrated. Because at one place you're having a lot of ideations and you can be a good advisor, but to be able to execute those tasks you're not having you don't have the brute force of it. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting an energy where you're getting a strength card also. Either strength card मिलने वाला है आपकी रीडिंग में, या 10 of swords आने वाला है आपकी रीडिंग में, या 8 of wands आने वाला है आपकी रीडिंग में. Either of these 3 cards can come in. Maybe even death card can come in. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I'm just getting an energy where ये 3-4 कार्ड तो हो ही सकते हैं आपकी रीडिंग में. Even possibly like a nine of wands can come in. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm not sure what is coming to you, but I'm just going to see. Now, okay, let's see how the next 3 months are looking like for your career graph. So we looked at the current energy is not so good. ठीक है, थोड़ी मुश्किलें हैं, but let's see how the next 3 months are looking like for your career. Okay, so okay, right off the bat, this card came in. Next 3 months, how are they looking like for your for the pile number 2, turquoise people? Next 3 months in your career. Okay. Not bad. अभी तक वो कार्ड्स नहीं आए जो मैं बोल रही थी आने के लिए. Okay. Actually, not bad. The next 3 months are not bad at all. See how similar these 2 cards are, right? So similar these cards are. Somebody is handing you a gift. Some gift giving is happening. Either somebody is giving you a favor, or somebody is giving you a gift, or somebody is giving you great advice, or somebody is coming to help you. वो एक सपोर्ट जो मैंने आपको कहा था ना कि यार सपोर्ट मांगो, आपको मिल रही है वो सपोर्ट. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट पुट आउट वन मोर कार्ड. Yeah, see, the idea is in the next 3 months now, you have to be able to understand that only sheer patience can help you. I am seeing greatness in the next 3 months. I can see goodness, but 3 months for flag end of the 3 months aapko aayega. Like say suppose you're watching this reading, say suppose in the month of May. After I would say July end, May, June, July, maybe even August first week, तब आपको ये results मिलेंगे. Before those 3 months, before that time, before that first week of August, there will be a lot of waiting and a lot of patience test will happen. A lot of faith test will happen. आपका faith test होगा, आपका patience test होगा, आपका resilience test होगा. वो test होने के बाद, if you're able to be successful, only then the goodness will come to you. So that goodness is coming to you at a fag end of these 3 months. I would say even like not even 3 months, maybe in the 4th month. Do you get it? So in the next 3 months, firstly, support is coming to you. Okay. Somebody is helping you. अब आपका ये जो energy था ना that somebody has to give me closure, somebody has to refix their energies with me in my love life, वो हो रहा है. So I definitely feel like there is some kind of a relationship betterment that is coming to you in the next 3 months, which is in turn helping you in your career. This could very well be somebody kind of supporting you in your career. This could be a supportive boss. This could be supportive colleagues. This could be supportive clientele. Basically, if you're an entrepreneur, right, you're able to attract the kind of clientele that are deserving of your energy. Like that is also what I can see. And people who are wanting some kind of a closure or some kind of an answer in terms of something that was like unsaid or something that was, a strange energy जो थी वो आ रही है आपके वापस in the next 3 months. Whether you like it or not, I'm happy that you're getting it, but I'm also like, even if it didn't come, I think you should be okay with it regardless. But ठीक है, आपको मिल रहा है तो good, congrats. You are getting that kind of a closure. I'm happy for you. What I want to focus more on is this energy of Ace of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, and Knight of Swords. Like I feel like you're finding truth. You're on a hunt of a truth. You're trying to better your approach towards certain things. You're being more laser focused. Like I can see you in the next 3 months realizing where you're faltering, realizing where your pitfalls are, and going very, very headstrong. There are certain things that you're doing. Like remember I told you that your mind is like having too many ideas and your body is not coping. In the next 3 months, this is getting fixed. कि आपकी ideations भी रफ्तार से जा रही हैं and आपकी body भी रफ्तार से जा रही है. Like that is what I can see. Okay. One very important thing is that I do believe that there could be some really big details that you can miss. Detail orientation में problem आ रही है. Okay. there are places where you're missing out on grave details, or maybe there are certain resources that you're missing out on because josh bahut hai. I can see a lot of josh, I can see a lot of like enthusiasm, very less detail orientation, which I want you guys to work on. Okay, detail orientation is very important, so sit and observe. Observation mode is very important for you guys. This is an advice. There are places where you are reassessing where your energy is going, especially in your career. I think you are reassessing what is priority, what isn't. This could very well be for students, like what subject is more important to me, what isn't. I feel like you're becoming very smart, intelligent ho rahe ho aap. You're able to change your thought patterns in the next 3 months. You're able to see how easy it is for you to grab onto certain ideas, to be able to how be like to be able to go after a potentiality of yours, and to be able to materialize it. So the ideation and to be able to materialize it, it is very easy for you. For example, if you are somebody who is interested in, say suppose you're doing a 9 to 5, just having a unique idea will in itself become like a trickle down effect for you to even materialize it into real world. तो आपके पास एक आइडिया आएगा, आप उसको बाउंस ऑफ करोगे, एक पर्सन बोलेगा हाँ मेरे पास है ये रिसोर्स, आज मैं तेरे को हेल्प करता हूँ, आज मैं तेरे को हेल्प करती हूँ, and one after the other, it will just materialize in anything. So the conviction is stronger here. You're becoming more daring, more bolder, right? I feel like there are certain places where you are having much more guts to execute certain tasks, which means that workload is getting more. Workload बढ़ रहा है. You're having a lot of things in your pipeline. There is no place in which you are relaxed and chilling. So that's why I'm saying कि अभी break ले लो, क्योंकि आगे तो और काम बढ़ने वाला है आपका. You're getting more work. You're getting way more opportunities. Definitely people who are having a job, like joblessness नहीं है आपके next 3 months से, आपको job मिल रही है. You're getting a job mostly by somebody's help. But you're getting a job for sure. Switch of job is definitely there. What I can also see is that you're being a little more truthful in the way you're approaching your work. It's like you're not entertaining bullshit, basically. What I can see, like you're not entertaining any kind of BS. You're not entertaining people. You're not entertaining any negative energy around you. You're not entertaining people who are naysayers. You are understanding and you're realizing that, you know what, in order for me to be actually successful in my career, ये जो एक false pretense है ना, मुझे तोड़ना पड़ेगा. I have to actually really lock in and focus on my body, my mind and my spirit, right? Like remember I told you in the earlier reading, like there was so much of chaotic energy within you. I think that is what you're fixing. It's not extrinsic to you at all. It's all internal. And that's why you're getting that immediate response, immediate stimulation. क्योंकि आपको पता है कि यार problem मेरे में थी. Do you get it? Now, in the fag end of these 3 months, remember, and when I make a prediction, you will have one of the most groundbreaking career milestones. Like ऐसा career milestone जो आपने बहुत टाइम से विश करा होगा, आपको चाहिए. This could be a great hike, great jump, great career opportunity, great college to get into, great scores. It could be any career promotion, recognition. If you're people who are interested in acting, if you're interested in getting into social media, what cards have come for you? To be able to go on to, like to face camera is really good for you. You can experience great opportunities in that field as well. You know, to be able to find a sense of freedom, to be able to find a sense of balance, emotional maturity, and very importantly, a sense of positive reaffirmation कि आपने जो effort करे हैं उसका एक positive reflection आ रहा है आपके ऊपर. Very important. Like that is something that I can see very strongly for you. I see that you are holding on to things and not letting them go. आपके पास अगर opportunity है जो भी है, अब आप इसको छोड़ नहीं रहे हो. आप अब पूरा milk कर रहे हो. Milking the opportunities coming to you. Milking whatever is coming in your life, and you're ensuring that it stays in you. It stays with you. It stays within your body. I also see a lot of travel for you. Like in the next 3 months, travel is there, like work travel or whatever. Travel is very good. I also see like career mein some kind of a position of authority. Like if you are wanting to get a leadership role, you can, or like a lead project, or if you want to be a topper, that can also happen. Okay, like topping, like some kind of a topper energy. And remember, this is also coming from a sense of like believing in it. Like you believe in it and you strive for it. And you know, also one more thing is like you're open to changing yourself. Like a sense of like being okay with the idea that, okay, if this doesn't work out, I'll do this. If this doesn't work out, I'll do this. Like always being able to recuperate yourself is what I can see. Right? like I'm seeing victory, like yay victory, like that kind of an energy. Like victory is what I can see, and being able to command the position that you're in currently. If you some of you are in trading now, some of you are into trading, stock market is very good for you. The next 3 months will be very good for you. I think you should really focus on that. Like stock market trading is good for you. Any kind of a trade business is good for you. People in a business, this is specifically for you guys. Business mein na, the bolder you are, the more risks you take, the better it is. Get some kind of a business partner. If you haven't, then you should, and take bold decisions with the help of them. You'll be able to get a lot of success. I think right now you're still figuring it out. You're still in that zone of wanting to know, okay, how can I manage things, how can I make things properly. And if it is difficult for you, then I will really recommend you guys to seek support. Like seeking self help is also very important, and sometimes seeking help can literally be seeking help from a therapist, seeking help from a psychologist, seeking help from a tarot reader, could be anything. Like just seek help, seek support. जब तक आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे आपको हेल्प चाहिए, तब तक आपके पास मिलेगा नहीं वो सपोर्ट. सो सी दैट सेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी दैट आई टोल्ड यू, लाइक विद द नाइट ऑफ स्वर्ड्स हियर, एंड लाइक नोइंग दैट यू आर हेल्दी एंड यू नो माइंड बॉडी स्पिरिट इज अलाइंड. whatever it is coming to you is coming through me ना. मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना, तब उसके पहले तो नहीं आप समझ पा रहे थे, तो आपने सपोर्ट ली, तो ऐसे आप सपोर्ट लो. Whether you demand it, whether you don't ask for it. Lucky you that you were able to not ask from me. I gave it for you, free, fokat ka. But now you have to ask for it. So if you are getting some kind of an advice, take it, grab onto it, latch onto it. आपको अच्छा लगेगा. And seek support. Actually seek support. Be a person who's like, yes, I need help. Yes, mundi hilao. I definitely feel like your emotions right now need more importance. आपके emotions are बहुत, you're gaslighting yourself. You think that things are fine, but things are not. Like, and I feel like in the future also, emotions suffer नहीं होने चाहिए. You have to be emotionally very balanced. And maybe that's why I said that, okay, sometimes you don't need to wait for that closure. ठीक है, आपको closure मिल रहा है, मैं आपको मना नहीं कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, closure मिल रहा है, अच्छी बात है. But don't be obsessed with it. Emotional modulation is very important. Emotional moderation is very important. I am not saying that you don't have to be a person who is not passionate. Be passionate, but honor your body. If you are a person who wants to achieve a lot of great things, do it. आपके लाइफ में है वो, but एक करेक्ट सूझबूझ के साथ, एक सद्बुद्धि के साथ करना है, नहीं तो आप सफर करोगे. मैंने आपको क्या कहा था, आप सफर करोगे. सो यू cannot let your emotions get the better of you guys. Okay, definitely this is an energy of somebody who actually has a lot of good luck in their life. Like you are getting support, luck है आपके in favor. It's just that you are, I don't know, there's some kind of an issue of you being able to see it, recognize it, be in alignment of it, not honoring yourself. But that Puritan energy is there within you, and you have it in your life. आपके वो एक, you have it within yourself, within your body. Timing right now will feel off. I agree. Like right now, I would say that you're still in that zone of being able to identify where the problem is. So you're still like, the timing right now will feel off. अभी आपको ये feel होगा नहीं. I feel like half of you will not resonate with it. I'm sure you will not resonate with this reading because अभी timing ही है नहीं इस reading की. But give yourself the right time ना, you'll come back to this reading 100%. अगर अभी feel नहीं हो रहा है ना, 100% आपको कभी ना कभी तो feel होगा ये. Somewhere like in the next 3 months only, you'll feel it. And you'll come back to this reading, I'm 100% sure. Debts are getting cleared, definitely. ये बहुत important है. When I talked about a very big career milestone, maybe there are some loans that you are going to repay. Maybe there are some debts that you're going to get cleared. Some kind of a financial upgradation is coming to you where you're like, okay, now I'm able to find. I'm not saying कि ठीक है, say suppose आपके पास, just as an example, if you have 50,000 loan, I'm not saying that you are getting 50,000 only. You're getting ways to make that 50,000 rupees. Do you get it? That. I'm not saying that you're getting 100 millions of rupees. No, but you're getting a feeling like now I can actually be able to breathe freely. Foundation nahi hai. Results in love will surprise you. I don't know why I'm getting a love reading, but results in love life also are surprising you, and maybe that is the reason why your career is flourishing, because you're so happy in your love life that your career is flourishing, right? So I don't know why I'm getting a love reading, but I will say what is coming to me, that results in love is going to surprise you for the better, because I can see good energies for you. Again, here also I got accountability is required. Both the piles had this, accountability is required. Obviously यार career reading है तो accountability तो लेनी पड़ेगी. आपका career है, किसी और का तो नहीं ना, पड़ोसी का तो नहीं career है. आपका career है तो आपको ownership रखनी पड़ेगी ना. तो आपको जो भी मैं advice दे रही हूँ, you have to take it. You have to take it. This is fated, absolutely. Like this is, I told you that even if you don't resonate with it, it will make sense to you because it is in your destiny. It is in your destiny. You are not watching this reading just like this, right? There's a sense of fatedness that is coming to me. There's a sense of destiny that is coming to me. Yeah, this is fated for you, okay? The moment is aligning. The moment is aligning. क्या लिखा है मैंने? The moment aligns. Definitely, this is an energy where everything is going to come in alignment. मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? Body, mind and spirit has to come in alignment. That's what I'm going to tell you. Right now, efforts will feel heavy. Right now, I'm telling you, efforts will feel heavy because you're thinking of it as an effort. The moment you don't think of it as an effort, it automatically becomes easier for you, right? So yeah, that's what it is for you. Anything else that I want to tell you? Let me actually take out more cards here. I don't know, I'm getting an energy where maybe you're stressed because there is some person in your work environment that you're having a no contact relationship with, or some kind of a work environment mein aapko thoda love problem hai. Maybe that's why you're having so much issues. Maybe you're having issues with regards to love in your career. Is that the case? Let me know, okay? Friends, family, loved ones, office people. Again, like same thing. I'm getting an energy where there's a lot of like people are getting the better of you. I'm getting that energy very strongly. Anything else? High intuition. Wow, nice. High intuition is very important here because I feel like this is something that either you are feeling or your body is telling you and you're ignoring it. Intuition comes from the gut. जब आप खाना ढंग से नहीं खाते हो ना, and when your gut is not working well, your intuition gets blocked. Did you know that? So intuition is not only Om Namah Shivaya and meditate. No, intuition is also eating well. Like I feel like most of your problems are your lifestyle. The body is the reason why things are disconnected in your life. Your body needs to get honored. Honor your body. Honor your body. Honor your body. Gut health, gut problems. I think some of you have IBS also. Some of you have problems with like, do you get it? Like you have problems with that also. Don't do that. Like I really want you guys to focus on your stomach problems, on your heart problems, on your body. Like in general, puri body ka thoda check kar lo aap, right? On your vitals also. This is some random thing that, yeah, somewhere right now, okay, enough. Like I feel like currently the energies are feeling blocked. Okay, in the future things will become better because I can see goodness for you. But again, like I want you to understand that the reason why the energy is feeling blocked is because energy stems from how you feel from a bodily perspective. Like that is what I'm reiterating constantly, right? Body needs to be very, very honored. Like honoring your body is very important because that has a direct correlation to how you are doing in your career field. Career is looking good, but right? So yeah, this is what it is for you. Pile number 2. I hope I was able to help you. मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ी ऐसी reading है जो एकदम some people will resonate, but I would like to know if this resonated or if this helped you or if this would come of help in your future. I really want your support. And one thing I want to tell you guys is that if something doesn't resonate now, just say that okay. Just okay. Say okay, just say that okay, it doesn't resonate, because I feel very bad when things don't resonate. But okay, if things don't resonate, you can be honest with me. But yeah, that is what it is from my side to you guys. I hope I was able to help you. I hope this reading just helped you guys. Sometimes you just don't, like, sometimes you just want to hear it from another person. It doesn't have to apply in your life. It just has to make sense. Whenever it does, I hope it does. And yeah, this is what it is for you the next few months. I hope I was able to help you, and I will see you soon. And if this reading resonated, do let me know. Like, save, share, comment. If you want to book a session with me, the details are in the description below. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel. So many of you haven't subscribed yet. Please do so, and press the bell icon because I upload very regularly. And yeah, hype this video because I really try very hard. And I think that's about it. I will see you soon. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.